Today we will introduce how to collect PCB images. We measure the length and width of the PCB. I'm just giving you a rough demonstration, but you need to measure the exact PCB size. Measuring the length and width of a PCB. The width is about 180毫米. We now adjust the width of the PCB channel. Click the Run menu item. Click Adjust Dual Lane Param. Then a prompt window pops up. This means that we need to detect whether there are any obstacles in the channels on the left and right sides of the PCB. Check if there is no problem, click OK. Click OK. The above column is the system parameters and it is forbidden to modify the parameters. Do not modify the 469,500微米 parameter. The machine uses microns as the unit. 180毫米 is equal to 18万微米. PCB channel width debugging. The second parameter is 18万微米. If the actual PCB is 180毫米, the width adjustment parameter is 180,500 to 181,000微米. Then click Move and wait for the machine to automatically adjust the width. It may take a while, so please wait. I am currently using the Chinese version of the software, and I will switch to the English version for operation instructions. The machine first adjusts the channel to its maximum width and then narrows it to the width you specify. Now the machine automatically reduces the width of the PCB channel. OK. This shows the stop status. Then click the Run menu, click Load Board or use the shortcut key Ctrl+L. This Ctrl+L. Then place this PCB at the entrance of the channel. Position the PCB at the entry point. Then click the Run menu and click Capture Board Image. Or just press the S key on the keyboard. Click this and the JUTZE machine will take pictures according to the set PCB size. The machine now automatically captures pictures. Press the F key on the keyboard to refresh the image. Clicking the window also refreshes the image. Now the PCB image acquisition is complete. If you think the image length dimension is not enough, you can enter the total length of the PCB here. The unit is on. I'll demonstrate it again and you can check the effect. You check the image changes at this position. You see, we are now acquiring an image that is larger than the PCB. If you want to reduce the size of the captured image, use the same method and modify the length parameter. Edit here. The purpose of collecting images is to write the machine detection program. When we make a machine inspection program, we need to capture the PCB image and then use it to write the program. After the PCB image acquisition is completed, we need to save the PCB image data. Click the Design item, then click the Editor mode. Because you cannot save or load images in standard mode, the options are grayed out. Click Editor. Click Save Board Image. Please note that you need to be in edit mode before capturing the PCB image. In standard mode, the PCB image we collected is wrong. It must be in edit mode. Then create a new folder to save the PCB image data. The image file name must be stored using a numbering. Click to save image. Now I collect this PCB picture. If you don't know the PCB size, another way is to manually adjust the width of the PCB channel. We have introduced the automatic adjustment of the machine width before. Now let us adjust the PCB width manually. Press the emergency stop switch. Then lift the safety door of the machine upwards. To manually widen the PCB channel width, turn this knob. Adjust the PCB channel to the appropriate width. Close the safety door. Turn on the emergency switch. Turn on the servo switch. Then press the start button. Click Run, then click Home, and XY returns to the origin. After zeroing is completed, click Run, then click Load Board to load the PCB. Today's video introduction ends here. If you want to learn AOI programming, please contact us. If you have mastered the JUTZE AOI programming method, you can also easily master other brands of AOI programming. The next video will introduce how to program and what kind of algorithm can be used to detect defective products. Video production is not easy. I hope everyone can like and subscribe to support us.